A Washington, D.C. jury has ordered Rudy Giuliani to pay nearly $150 million to two Georgia election workers for the harm caused by defamatory statements he made about them following the 2020 election. Freeman was awarded $16,171,000 for defamation and $20 million for emotional distress. Shaye Moss, Freeman's daughter, was awarded $16,998,000 for defamation and $20 million for emotional distress. The jury also awarded $75 million in punitive damages to both plaintiffs. Giuliani watched intently as the verdict was read, using a stylus on a touchscreen device, apparently taking down notes on the figures he'd been ordered to pay. After leaving the courtroom, the former New York mayor and one-time attorney to former President Donald Trump vowed to appeal. After the proceedings ended, Freeman and Moss hugged each other tightly, and then every member of their legal team. There was a feeling of jubilation among the plaintiffs in the courtroom after Giuliani left, and Freeman looked especially relieved after the jury forewoman read the numbers, spinning around slightly in her chair and closing her eyes briefly. Today is a good day. A jury stood witness to what Rudy Giuliani did to me and my daughter and held him accountable, and for that, I'm thankful. Today is not the end of the road, we still have work to do, Freeman said outside the courthouse Friday. Moss told reporters, I spent 10 years as an election worker in Fulton County, Georgia. The lies Rudy Giuliani told about me and my mommy after the 2020 presidential election have changed our lives, and the past few years has been devastating. The flame that Giuliani lit with those lies and passed to so many others to keep that flame blazing changed every aspect of our lives, our homes, our family, our work, our sense of safety, our mental health, and we're still working to rebuild, Moss said. As we move forward and continue to seek justice, our greatest wish is that no one, no election worker or voter or school board member or anyone else ever experiences anything like what we went through. You all matter and you are all important. We hope no one ever has to fight so hard just to get your name back. Giuliani was found liable this summer for defamation against Freeman and Moss after failing to respond to parts of their lawsuit. The mother and daughter claimed in their case that they have suffered emotional and reputational harm, as well as having their safety put in danger after Giuliani singled them out when he made false claims of ballot tampering in Georgia. During the trial, an attorney for Freeman and Moss showed videos and played audio clips in which Giuliani repeated false claims that the two election workers stuffed ballots and were caught on video, allegedly passing a USB drive as part of a vote-stealing scheme. None of those claims were true, and the supposed USB drive was a ginger mint